Glimpse of the Past is a chapter that offers a collection of stories from history, providing insights into different periods and events. It takes readers on a journey through time and presents various narratives that shed light on significant moments in the past. The chapter begins with the story of a king's dream, where a king dreams of a golden city and seeks its realization in the material world. Through this story, the chapter explores the theme of dreams and the impact on individuals and society. The second story in the chapter is about the journey of the Indian national flag. It recounts the historical significance of the flag and its evolution through different stages. The story highlights the struggles and sacrifices made by freedom fighters in their pursuit of independence. The third story focuses on the experiences of an archaeologist who uncovers hidden treasures from the past. It delves into the world of archaeology and the thrill of discovering ancient artifacts that provide insight into civilization long gone. Each story in the chapter presents a unique perspective on history and engages readers in understanding the significance of the past in shaping the present and future. Here are some questions and answers related to the chapter. What's the main theme of the chapter Glimpses of the Past? The main theme of the chapter is the exploration of history through various narratives and their significance in shaping the present. What's the significance of the story of the King's Dream? The story of the King's Dream explores the power of dreams and their influence on individuals and society. It emphasizes the importance of pursuing dreams and aspirations. What is the focus of the story about the Indian national flag? The story highlights the historical significance of the Indian national flag and the sacrifices made by freedom fighters in the struggle for independence. What does the story about the archaeologist explore? The story delves into the world of archaeology and the excitement of uncovering ancient artifacts that provide insights into past civilizations. What is the overall message conveyed by the chapter? The chapter emphasizes the importance of understanding and appreciating history as it shapes the present and provides valuable lessons for the future. It showcases different aspects of history through engaging narratives.